Hey, thanks for joining us at Scotty Builds. My name's Scott, and I want to introduce our new project. It's a 1991 Jaguar XJ6 Sovereign with an LT1 conversion and a 6-speed manual transmission. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I've been waiting to do this project for a long time. Here shortly, we'll walk around the car, show you where we're at, and then we'll talk about the plan. All right, let's get into this. Okay, well, here's the Jaguar. It's again 1991 XJ6 Sovereign. Oh man, I've had this car for many years, and I really enjoy driving it. So it's definitely worth getting resurrected. And again, it's a pretty straight car. Just needs some love. Okay, the drivetrain for this project is going to utilize an LT1 out of a 1996 Corvette with a PCM and coil conversion kit from Torquehead. Since we're retaining the pull type clutch system, we're going to get a flywheel for a 95 F body, and that should allow us to mate up well with the Borg Warner T56. As far as the drive shaft and differential, this car currently has a 2-piece drive shaft, which we're converting to a 1-piece, and we're getting a lot of help on that from Andrew at JaguarSpecialties.com. We're in the process of purchasing a coupler that will allow us to delete the Jurid coupler on the differential, replace it with a universal joint. The differential itself is a conventional differential. It's not a power lock unit, it's not any sort of limited slip, it's just an open rear end, but it does have 358 gears. So at least until I can source a power lock unit or come up with a redesign of what we have, we're going to go with that. So for this project, I sourced a pedal box from a dismantler in England that came with the clutch pedal, the springs, also the brake pedal I needed. That was already cut down, and also we've got the master cylinder for the clutch right here. So the pedal box that came with the car, the automatics, did not have a boss here in order to mount the master cylinder for the clutch. So again, we sourced a new pedal box, got that all installed, new gasket underneath, and got all our clutch pedal and brake pedal stuff already sorted. Here's a shot of the pedals as they were installed once we got that pedal box in. So yeah, looking good there. Obviously we still have to put everything back together once we get all the electric sorted, but we've got all the trim pieces and it should come together quite nicely. Okay, so I've actually got the question several times, and we'll address it here. Why this car? Why a 91 XJ6 Sov that's been sitting dormant for a good 12 to 13 years? And there's a couple of reasons. One, I have it here and I need to do something with it, and I would love to bring the car back. It's probably the most important one, and it needs to be, lack of a better word, celebrated the way it's supposed to be. It's actually a very nice car. The second reason is I'd like to show everybody what can be done in a really small garage. This is a tiny garage. I'm working on getting a bigger one. And what one person can do with minimal help, and what they can do at home. You can literally do everything you want to do in your little garage. This garage is not equipped to handle this. I have one 220 circuit. But I do have a generator. We're going to be running, our little welder here, our plasma cutter. We're going to outfit ourselves. If we don't have it, we'll go buy it. So we'll have it for the future projects. But bottom line is we have it, and we want to show everybody that you can work. You don't need a huge shop to do really good work. Okay? I don't want to be too cliche, but it's more attention to detail and patience. And if you can combine those two, I think we can come up with some really amazing results. All right, so Again, if you think the project is interesting, if you enjoy what we're doing here, if you think it's relevant at all to the industry, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. We're just starting, and your support would really help us out a lot. All right, so we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.